This SkyDive program that we are doing, this is the second year of our program. This is specially designed for the campus hires that we take from the different premium colleges. They go through a very intense program of 8 to 10 weeks.
SkyDive, which is one of our flagship programs here, which is meant to upskill and transition our campus hires into the corporate world.
It's very difficult for a fresher to comprehend the realities of the workplace. It's important for them to connect with some of the senior leaders, for them to understand what are the key areas that they need to work on from technical side, from leadership side, from soft skills perspective, so that they can actually become at the top of that organization.
Participants not only gain proficiency in data fundamentals and analytics, but they are provided with all the business acumen and all the business requirements and needs that are required by the industries as well.
SkyDive Global Campus Academy, in association with ADaSci, has launched a very unique program. So we are designed a program where we are giving the lab activities, we are organizing the hackathons, we are organizing the regular assessment in order to judge the technological skill set of all the participants.
So basically they're already aware of how to do it in a theoretical way. However, what they really need is how can they implement that in their normal life, right? In a day-to-day work style. So that's what we do here. So what we do as facilitators is we encourage them, we help them to develop their technical skills, we help them to develop their soft skills, and also we help them to understand how to communicate with each and everyone within the organization.
First of all, I would like to extend my gratitude to all the mentors from SkyDive for such a great learning experience.
I got to learn a lot of things. The one thing I like about SkyDive is their pragmatic approach to teaching.
The program structure has been very well structured. It covers various fundamentals of data science, from data analysis to advanced statistical model and to machine learning.
The baseline program helped me view the data in a unique perspective and unique lens, and how it is important to the analytics industry.
I have to say, this SkyDive program is going to help me building various skills on future, because it develops a baseline of various technologies, because it touches various domains.
We get to experience how it would be in real life, how an employee in the corporate world would see and would do, right? And that is where I think SkyDive shines.